to go. Mic check.
Yeah, got me?
Yeah.
Hello?
Good.
Got me? Okay.
Gotcha.
20 seconds. This is 10.7 miles.
Roger.
10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Left 4 minus, opens long. Ooh, careful the clutch.
I just too fast, I guess.
Into small crest, into right 5 short. Sorry, this is long. There's the right 5 short. Into left 4.
Oh, this is not right 5 short.
Okay, right 4 minus 200. Here, the 200 stay left over small crest. Yeah, those are real quick together. 100. Left 4, or excuse me, right 4, opens long. I'm not with it today. 70. Left 4 long. 50. Right 3 plus over crest down. 30. Right 4 over small crest. Don't cut. Opens long. Or don't cut. Into left 6 over small crest. 30. Stay mid over small jump.
Next.
20. Left 5 plus.
Oh.
Sorry. Small crest 100. Right 4 plus over crest. 100. Left 5 minus. Tightens 4 minus. Crest, 30, right 5, minus, opens over small crest, 50, right 4, minus, opens. Small crest into left 4 long over small crest, 150, right 4 minus, coming up. Small crest, 50, right 5 minus, 100, right 4 over small crest at the end of the 100. 30, left 5 plus, left 5 minus, tightens 3 plus. 50, small jump, narrow guard. After it tightens up to the 3, small jump, narrow guard there. 100, small crest, 150. End of the 150 to right 5 plus long. Crest.
Next.
Left 5 plus 300. End of the 300s, a left 5 plus over big crest into right 5, don't cut. Again, left 5 plus over big crest into right 5, don't cut. Small crest, 30, left 4, don't cut. 30, crest 100. End of the 100s, a small jump 50, left 4 long. 30, right 6 plus, into jump maybe.
Right 4.
Right 6 plus into jump maybe.
Right 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Left 6 plus 350. Drive it as you see it. At the end of this straight is a break, right 3 plus, tightens over long crest. Woo! Good. Good, good, good. Left 5 over tip. Stay right over crest. Stay right over crest. 70, left 4 plus. 150. Stay right over jump. Again, stay right over jump. 50, left 5 minus over dip. 70, right 4 over kick. Stay middle, tightens 3.
Right 4.
Yep, tightens 3 over the kick. Here's the kick. Stay middle. Saw, it gets soft here. 50, left 5 plus. 30, right 4, 100. End of the 100s are right 4. Left 3 plus into right 4. Again, left 3 plus into right 4. Left 5 minus. 70, left 6. Again, 70, left 6, 120. Right 5 over small crest. Sorry. Left 5 plus over crest into right 4 into left 4 over dip water maybe.
Repeat.
This is right 4 into left 4 over dip water maybe.
Roger.
Right 3. 30. Left 4 opens, tightens 3 soft. Yeah, something's getting dust in. Soft, yeah.
Whoa.
Right 5 plus over small crest extra long.
Taken.
Right 5 plus over small crest extra long, opens very long. Into a stay left over jump, 850. Or stay left over this jump up here. And then it's at 850. This is our fast section. Go, go, go what you can. Flat.
Try not to spin and roll.
End of the 850 is a flat jump maybe. It's a small crest, we gotta label it a jump maybe.
What is this?
Flat jump maybe, 350. Left 6 into right 5 plus. Again, left 6 into right 5 plus. 150. Left 6 plus line into right 6 plus.
Next.
180.
Next.
Left 6. 150. Left 6. 50, right 6. Yeah, they were good. They broke after the first
right
6. Yep. Into a left 6 plus. Small crest, 70. Caution, brake, small crest, 70, left 3. Or excuse me, right 3, I'm sorry. Whew, man, I don't know what it is today. 150. Left 3 plus tighten soft.
Don't have much power.
Alright, this is soft into a right 3. Ooh, yeah, real soft. Right 3 here. 150. Stay left over small crest. 50. Caution. Right 6 over narrow guard. You can see the guard there. Again, caution. Right 6 plus through narrow guard.
What's after?
100. Left 4 over crest. After this, the left 4 over crest is 800. End of the 800s, a brake, left 5 plus over small crest into a right 4 over crest. There's your triangle too, watch that. Again, left 5 plus over small crest into caution, right 4 over crest. Into a left 3. So it's a tricky section here. 30. Right 4, long, tightens 3, long. 30.
Soft.
Left 5 plus 200. Right 6 plus into a left 6 rocks. Again, this is a left 6 rocks.
Okay.
30, right 6 over small crest, long, 250. End of the 250, the left 5.
To a right, into a left 5 into like a right 4 or something, right?
Yeah, and left 5 into a right 6.
You got that nasty dip thing.
Yeah, left 5 into a right 6 plus into crest into turn right 5. Do that dip. There's a dip. 100. Into the 100s a right 6 plus into left 5 plus.
Left 5?
Yeah, left 5 plus. 70, stay right over small crest, stay right here. 150, left 6 plus. 100.
Left 6 plus?
Left 6 plus 100.
Okay.
Right 6 plus into left 4 plus.
Right.
Right 6 opens tightens 5 plus. Again, this tightens 5 plus. 50, right 5 plus over small crest. 50. Caution, left 6 into jump down into left 5 minus. Here's a left 6 into left 5 minus down. There's a left 5 minus. Into right 5 plus over crest. Ooh, that's not right 5. Oh, the right 4, I'm sorry.
Or something coming up.
Right 4 over crest into left 6 plus. 100. Right 5 minus. Into a small crest. Into left 5 plus. Opens over crest into right 5 plus. 100. Left 6 over small jump. Here's the right 5 plus. 100. Left 6 over small jump. 70, caution crest, right 5 minus short over crest. Alright, I'm gonna be lost here. Try what you can see.
Alright, we got left 4 maybe coming.
Yeah, left 4 plus down. Yeah.
Long?
No.
Something's
120.
Into
120,
it.
right 6 plus, 150. There it is. Left 5 plus opens. Right 5 plus, 100. Left 5. Double caution here, watch the triangle. Double caution, left 6, or excuse me, left 4, don't cut down, I'm sorry.
To a left, left 4?
Yeah, left 4 down. Right 3, narrow. There we go, into a left 4 short, don't cut. Oh, big rock. 30. Left 3, tightens 2 over crest, tightens 2. Into right 4. Right 5, 50, left 6, 30, small crest, right 3 plus opens, 100, left 6, extra long, 120, left 4 plus at the end of the 120, left 4 plus. Into crest, into right 4 over dip. 50. Crest, into right 5, into left 4 plus. Right 6 plus, short, stay left over crest. 70, small crest. 70, right 3 plus. 30, left 3 crest, over crest down.
Left 3?
Yeah, left 3 over crest down, opens. 70, left 5 plus over small crest into left, right 3 late off camber. Into up, left 5 minus, stay right over small crest. 30, left 5 plus.
To a
Right 4 minus over small crest over the finish. Dang, I don't know what it is, man. Today is not.
It's okay, it's very technical, so I don't fault you.
I feel off today, like really off.
It's okay. It's alright.